Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to change the cabin air filter on a little high-end accent hatchback, and we're also going to change the engine air filter. Here's what the little cabin air filter box looks like, and I'll take it out of the box. Just a little cloth filter to stop the impurities from coming in. I'm going to get in the car. It's in behind the glove box. And there's a couple little plastic plugs that come out here. Here's one. There's another one. And if we can come down and take a little look in here, there's the little cover that comes off. Oh, look how dirty that filter is. That filter is doing its job. It's stopping that from coming into my cabin, but it's about time we change that. There we go. There we are. This will go back up again. That's easy as it is. Now we're going to come around and do the engine air filter. In this case, we're going to use the little Fram Extra Guard engine air filter. I'll show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like, a nice brand new air filter. And it's hiding right in here. There's two little clips that come off. This comes up. There's our old air filter. See how it's a little dirty? There's a little bug there. We're going to put the brand new one back in here again. Oh, we're going to take a couple little things out of here. If we can see in here, we'll take a little bit of debris out of here. There we are. We're going to put this little filter back in there again. And that's as easy as it is to change the cabin filter and the engine air filter on a little high-end accent. If this helps you, please press like and press subscribe. Thanks a lot for joining in today.